Hey guys, today we're gonna meet Dan. He has some really smart solutions to a table in a small space. If you're interested in building your own van, I'm launching a van build course right now, so check out the link underneath the video.
My name's Dan, this is my van. I have half a plan. Welcome, let's have a look. Obviously the Transporter is a small van, so you have to try and make it cosy as possible. So you're next to the Holy Grail. Oh yeah, we have the charging station, phone box, USB charger on the night light, laptop and library. So we have big storage under there, main storage, accessible from that side. And then also straight in. So electrical, danger, fuse boards, intelligent charging, main off switch, and in the back there is the main control panel for the diesel heater, Chinese diesel heater. So using the remote control in here, so you don't have to get underneath there, you can just use the tiny remote. They're just door stays, so when you lift it up it stays there and doesn't bang you in the head and drive you mad. Kitchen. Okay, so you need to keep your food fresh, so I had to find a place to put the fridge. So fridge in there, tucked away, USB charging on that. Off at the moment because it's probably colder outside than it is in the fridge. Fridge not really necessary right now. This is held up by magnets, so it doesn't fall straight down on you. And this is also the kitchen table, so you have a lock there, and if you don't lock it, this thing swings out all the time. So she comes out, push bolt lock, and then the ventilation on the fridge, because in the summer if it overheats, the fridge is going all the time creating heat, so make sure that that's ventilated so it doesn't go bang. So double USB charger. This is how much I have in my battery to see if I'm going low and need to charge. This is run from the inverter, so 220 volts when needed. So we have the main seating area.
Nice.
Followed by the ambience. Or disco lights. LEDs under there. Overhead, so you have to make sure you don't come out looking like the bear, so you need a mirror. And same again, just baskets for utensils, or maybe t-shirts, stuff. All the utensils can go in there. There's a plate rack there. Plate just slides in. Oh yeah, so just storage of everything really. Tea bags, coffee, knife ready for chopping the food. Best to fill it up so everything doesn't fall over when you're driving along. You need just the right amount of pots. This one just for like flask, water storage, soap, and this was falling over all the time, so just made like a lock, hold everything in there. What else we got under there? Oh yeah, Bluetooth speaker under there, so we can have the rave in the mountains, and the hand pump to stop the pump from freezing if it was an electrical pump. So hopefully this one should be durable enough to deal with the mountains. We have a fan there, take out the moisture, get some air coming through while the heater's on. So although it's not running, I've left it open to get some vent, but while I'm cooking and stuff, to take out the extra moisture. Then we have storage in there, pots and pans, big stuff. also the gas and the water, like you can see them from the back. Okay. Gas, water tank. Why did I build it like that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I know, that's a good question. I built it like that because you just work around what you need to fit, and then all the questions get answered themselves. So it's like, I need a fridge, alright, I need a fridge, but I need a table, alright, I need a table. As those questions get answered, that's just how it made. But it started off just with, oh, where can I put my sink? And then it came on. So no real design plan, but designing it as going along.
It's nice though to be able to stand outside and cook as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
So I can make the coffee without being bent over.
Yeah.
And then obviously with this style of van, you've got the flip, the hatchback, so you've got a bit of shelter there.
Yeah.
Okay, so shower bag, I think this is 3 litres. Just hooks in there like that. And then shape this metal so it fits in the end of the roof rack. Like so. Heating the water from either on the gas, or I have an electric kettle which I plug into the cigarette lighter in the cabin. So you can heat your water while you're driving. And then voila. Okay, so we have the storage throughout most of this. This is another alternative to heating the shower water. And you put the shower water bag inside there. This sits over the vent for the diesel heater. And then slowly that will heat the water. This doubles up as the toilet. So you can't pee and you need to be a good shot.
So that's your shitter.
That's the shitter.
Oh, nice.
Poo but no pee.
How do you pee in the van?
I will just pee outside, but if I need to, I'm going to pee in a bottle or something, hey?
Yeah.
You know, cool. You don't have to remove all of the sofa cushions, etc. to get on the inside, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, you've got the ease of access there if if you're just going to get in and out with something that's quick. Shit shovel. Don't come knocking when the vans are rocking. Be nice. I didn't plan this, but just how that worked out with the bed coming short, you can still sit inside the van and do the cooking and stuff. Look out, have the coffee. Happy with that. The bed, so it can be a reclinable sofa. I think it could be done better than this. I think you could do it so you didn't have to go through this process, but this is just the way I done it. So we have the lazy boy. Hello, can you go? Just some storage in there. Goes right down underneath the fridge, so some room in there. USB power torch ready for action. And the trusty IKEA plastic plant. Can't beat that, can you? So 220 volt inverter, 600 watt, 200 ampere battery. Yeah, I wanna head north and have an adventure and go up into the Arctic Circle. I travelled last year, and I think it'd probably be good to stick a picture next to the picture of this, of what my van looked like last year, and how you can travel, roughly, and how you can travel in style with comforts and heating and cooking and stuff. So
I hope you enjoyed that video with Dan. If you're interested in building your own van, I'm launching my online van build course with an extra electrical course inside the course. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the link underneath, and I'll see you in the next van tour.